Yo, West, yippee-yi-yay, yippee-yi-yay. It's a cowgirl's life for me. It's a cowgirl's life for me. Hey guys, it's Leah here. Welcome back to my channel, Buff. Sorry guys, I'm in Landa. Been horse riding. That's all. Check out Landa's 90th birthday vlog. Wait, then what? This how long I've been filming my vlog, my channel vlog. That's how. Okay, that's getting better than this. Let me show you her handwriting in a moment. In a room like some pepperones. What to use next? Next time is reading Leah. And it was fun in West Virginia. I was just no dogs. What are those for? We need an Arizona background. Arizona, Arizona, Arizona. I wanna be in. I wanna be in Arizona. I used to live in there with my family, and they told me to go away with my mommy and daddies. Guys, that's a coincidence. It doesn't matter if it looks like how I want it to look. Oh gosh. Guys! I might have to make a part 2 on this video. Yes, sponsor. No, not music. Don't the lumpy bumps. No. Yes, that's one. The G channel is called Love Nature. This one says Landa. It was fun in West Virginia. I got to ride a horse for the first time! Exclamation. So Miriam put it 7 exclamation marks in her writing, but she deleted it. The Grand Canyon, is that a Grand Canyon? That's the cactus, and that's Lando on the horse. That's how she can picture it in her head. And now every time she thinks about West Virginia, that's how she pictures it. Cactus. Oh, sorry guys. Extra hot. I've seen this YouTuber before. So without further ado, about to see. Hi guys, really on the camera in West Virginia. About to go horse riding. I don't love you before Leah never. But she wants to go one day. Look, guys. A horse. I'm sorry. So, I'm about to go horse riding. Why did a horse kiss me? Ew, 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 ew. A horse kissing me. That's dumb. I don't like that. A horse kissed me. That's dumb. I don't like it. I don't want this to be in love. I'm sorry. Oh, what is that? I said I'm watching. This is what my mommy loves a lot. But sorry, mother. Guess you can't watch it. Lying over it. So. Hey guys, it's Lynn here. I'm going. Oh no, exact same YouTube video. Ah. I found the perfect background. No, that's not the. I'll just click on any background then. Yes, let's just click on the forest. Anyway, that's not the real background I was in. I was horse riding. No, it doesn't have water. Sorry, it's just taking me a while to find the right background. I'll have to make a part 2. Bye guys. guys.